famous quote that health is wealth. To build a healthy nation, our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah launched a social media campaign of Poshman 2020 on 7th September 2020, stressing the importance of proper nutrition in building a prosperous nation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also said that the proper implementation of the ideology of Poshan Ma 2020 will help our Nari Shakti and Yuva Shakti. Now I would like to introduce myself. I am Bandla Kishori Moturi, working in Food Corporation of India as AG3 Technical at Divisional Office Tarnaka, Telangana State. I am here to show you two healthy recipes with finger millets, also known as ragi, and other with little millets. The reason why I am sharing you two recipes is to show how you can simultaneously manage to do two healthy recipes to save your time and also provide more nutritious food to your family. The first recipe is ragi dosha with jaggery. Now you can see the ingredients. This is wheat flour, which is about 1 cup, and the same quantity of ragi flour. And you can see jaggery, which is half bowl. And you can, this is the ghee. You can also use oil instead of ghee. Let the contents be thoroughly mixed and let the pan get heated. Meanwhile, you can also start the little millet khichdi. Keep the cooker on the stove and let it get heated. See, all the ingredients required for this is 1 onion, 1 potato, 2 tomatoes, 3 to 4 chilies, carrots, and all the spices. And also your little millets required. I have taken 1 bowl of little millets, and you can also take dal, half cup of dal. And after the cooker get heated, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil get heated. I think now our pan is ready and also our flour is ready. Let the oil get heated simultaneously. Then I am taking ghee for extra taste. You can use oil as well. It's not a problem. Add 2 spoons of ghee. Then take the enough batter to make 1 dosha. Spread the batter evenly to get perfect dosha. Spread the ghee in all directions so that it will get roasted and good taste. Close the pan with the lid so that it will get cooked well. Then you can add the spices what you have taken. Ilachi, lavanga, pepper. These are good enough. After the spices are roasted for 20 seconds, you can add the onions. This will be very tasty and very nutritious food because we are adding all kind of different kind of vegetables like potato, carrot, tomato, and also it is in a good protein form because we are adding dal. And I would also like to tell about this millets have got very good nutrition value. They have got good amount of calcium, iron, proteins, and they are very much healthy to our body. So we should start using millets in our daily food. I have taken a couple of curry leaves, around 10 to 20 leaves. It will add a good flavor to the dish. Now let's see the dosha. Take it carefully. Now you turn it. It comes to a golden color. Again close it. Now here in khichdi almost all the vegetables are fried well. Have patience because all the vegetables should be fried well to have to it be more tasty. So once all the vegetables are fried well, then you can add water. I asked you to take 1 bowl of little millets. For 1 bowl of little millets, you have to add 2.5 bowls of water. After adding the water, simultaneously check this dosha. Allow it to be for 2 more minutes in a low flame. Now after adding the water, just add some salt. See, this is ragi dosha with jaggery, and come on. Now I would like to say that it will take couple of minutes for this. So meanwhile I'd like to show you our terrace gardening. Making your terrace garden may not be too expensive if you plan it well. You can use all the waste containers which can hold some potting soil. You can see we have used the oil cans to plant different varieties of plants. For example, we have planted mirchi, and here we have planted potato. 300 liters water can, we have cut it into 2 equal halves, and we planted tomato plants. So you can see the tomatoes started growing here. See, this is the fresh spinach which is grown with an organic waste at your kitchen. And now you can see the creeper bottle gourd. You can see how we have provided the support for this green net to provide a partial shade for all the leafy vegetables and also creepers using this simple bamboo nets which can be easily available. And come, I'll show you further. This is the wheat grass, very much healthy, and this is acranthus, amaranthus, all kind of leafy vegetables. This is the spring onion which you can use in many dishes, and these are all kind of green leafy vegetables, and we have provided the support for this using the vertical trellis. And these are bean plants. This is fenugreek plant which is called methi, which is very much healthy for even the sugar patients. Hope all of you like my terrace garden. If you can spend some time daily, you can grow your own organic vegetables and some of the fruits at your home using your kitchen organic waste as a fertilizer. Now let us see if my small millet khichdi is ready. It is already pressure cooked for about 5 to 6 minutes. Now let us see how it is. Wow, it's well cooked. So you can see all the vegetables in this. It is very nutritious food. Your kids will like it very much. If you can add some ghee, it will add more taste to this. Hope you have enjoyed both the recipes of mine, ragi dosha and small millet khichdi. And I would like to say that the need of her during this phase of COVID-19 pandemic is building a strong immune power. Hence, please give top priority to have a healthy food and also share nutritious recipes to others to drive away malnutrition and build a strong nation. Thank you very much for watching.